there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. Video, I'd like to do one on some of the unique capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that just came out and its AI capabilities. For this video, I want to specifically do them on the created wallpaper. You're looking at one right now, actually, that I made, and it's endless, the amounts of different wallpapers you can make here. And before we get started on how to make them, a key to this is, see this little very, very, very bottom left, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 little stars, whatever. That's how Samsung marks its wallpapers and its pictures, that it's been artificially intelligently made. So that's an indication that that was not purchased, whatever, that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra made this wallpaper. So that's kind of neat little tidbit. So let's go on how to make these. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pinch your screen and get into the wallpaper and style section. Okay, we're going to tap that and we're going to go down to change wallpapers. Okay, then we're going to go down into the creative section, and if you tap that, you have two options. You have lock screen only, photo ambient, which this is something I'm going to do a video on later. If you take one of your photos, it will interact with whatever the weather is. So if it's raining outside, it'll show rain on your photo. If it's snowing outside, it'll show snow on your photo. So it's kind of neat. I'm more interested though for this video on the generative. So let's go ahead here, and these are some of the ones I made with just night. And every time you hit generate, it'll make a new set. I don't know how that got. So, okay, that's translucent. But anyway, here's the 9 different options you have. Imaginary, you have night, painting, terrain, mineral, luminous, soft focus, translucent, and bloom. I like the night ones. So we'll set, now I don't want to hit set yet. I want to hit the color, and I like indigo the best, indigo or blue, one of those two, or gray makes a neat one. We'll do indigo for now. And then you don't want to hit generate yet, unless you want to, but I click at the top. You can go cliff, beach, mountain, river, sand dunes, foggy swamp, distant range, and sand. I don't know. Let's see here. What do we want to do? Let's try something flat. I don't want something with. So let's do maybe sand. And then with. Probably not going to have a wave. Well, you could, I guess, have waves, clouds, or ice. Let's do clouds. So I have an abstract picture that's in indigo with sand and clouds. So I'm going to hit generate. The phone's going to do its thing. And here's my first set. So that's kind of neat. That's a neat one. It's got 2 different sets. Now, as you can see these, let's go through these. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And I could set either one, obviously, with set. Let's hit generate again. And now you'll never get the same one twice. So now we have a whole new set of pictures of wallpaper. So let's do, I kind of like that one. Probably will never get that one again though if I redo it. So let's do one more time. And I'm going to set my screen right now and show you how to do that. That's a cool one. I'd hate to be in any of those places, honestly. Wow. So let's hit set. and then choose where to apply. I want to put it to my lock screen, and I want to put it to my home screen. So we're going to hit next, and there it is. Okay, so now I turn it off. Not sure what happened, but let's pick back up here. So here's the different ones. We're going to set one of these, and let's go with, that's not, well, I don't know. That one's not bad. Let's generate them one more time. I'm being picky here. That's cool. That's kind of neat. We'll set that one. Okay. Then we're going to hit both the lock screen. We'll hit next. And what I missed on my last screen was you want to hit done. And now it applies it. And turn it off. Wait, that's the way to create. I turned the screen off and it shut the microphone off, so bad on me again here. Anyway, this is how you set your different wallpapers for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the whole Samsung S24 series. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.